Hello, Bruce Sullivan here from Sullivan Roof Cleaning out of Des Moines, Iowa. We're out here in Omaha, Nebraska, cleaning this cedar shake roof, which I'll show you the before and after pictures when we get done. I just want to give you a little education about a cedar shake roof. As you can see right here, there's a spot that's open that shows the felt. That's called a burnout. And a lot of times people will come out, roofers for an example, come out and they'll take photographs of a few of these and they'll tell you, well, your roof is gone, you need a new roof. Well, if you look at the surrounding shakes here, everything looks pretty good. So all we've got is a simple burnout, which is caused by the UV and a weakness in the cedar shake. And there's a very simple way to resolve that, and I'll show you here how to do that. You take what is a simple shingle, not a shake, but a shingle, and you take that and you put it right here, and I'll try to do this as I'm holding the camera. And what you want to do then is you want to tap this right up there, see what I've done is I've covered that burnout. For a 20-cent piece of cedar shingle, I've covered that, and now the felt's not exposed anymore, so therefore it won't deteriorate. That's all you have to do whenever you see burnouts and felt showing in your roof. You don't need to put a new roof on. All you need to do is shim it. And the best way to shim it is shim it with a cedar shingle, which is thinner, and it'll match the roof. Again, I'll show you some before and after pictures at the end of this video. But that's Bruce Sullivan, Sullivan Roof Cleaning out of Des Moines, Iowa. Thank you and have a nice day.